Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Rakuten credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box popping up at the top, type in rakutencard.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. In order to access your Rakuten credit card service, you need to enter your credential for your Synchrony bank account. Since your Rakuten credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this little box beneath that says Remember User ID. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or password button in order to look for your credentials. After you are done entering the credential, click the secure login button and follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to access your Rakuten credit card service. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.